In this video, I will show you how to recover Binance account. So all you have to do is simply go to binance.com and then simply tap on this support button in the bottom right corner of the website. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply choose reactivate account. So simply click on that. Now before you do that, you're gonna be asked to use an email address. So make sure to use the same email address from the account that you want to basically reactivate. Now after you do that, simply click on this button and then you're gonna get redirected here. Now all you have to do is simply click on reactivate account, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.